Here is another tunnel entrance near the power plant at Kings Park. And there's ladder rungs going down into this one, so you know what that means. I'm gonna have to be careful with this one because I can't push backwards. Ugh. Let's see. Oh no, we don't want to kill my camera. Alright, now I'm aimlessly filming the ground. Apologize for that. Alright, coming down. There we go. Alright. Floor. Whoop. Let me not kill myself falling down here. Alright, there we go. Okay, so there's a left and there's a right. Are you coming down too? Alright, I'm gonna go left first. There's asbestos lagging on these pipes, so try not to disturb the ground. Very dark. Very, very dark. I'll pull my hood back so I can hear. More darkness. This tunnel is taller than the other one. Oh, hey Trace, just an FYI, if you don't like cave crickets, don't go this way.
Oh, for God's sake.
There's a huge colony. There's probably 30 or so.
I want to go out now.
Look at them all. Woo! There they go. It's so cool. All right, they're not going to hurt you. All right, I'm going to walk this way. I want to see how far this goes, but I really don't want to go too far. Because if I turn around, I can see you. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, wait, you're fuzzy. There we go. So if I go back this way, yeah, it gets very, very dark. I do see a tiny amount of light down there, so there's probably another tunnel entrance. Hooray, more asbestos. All right, yeah, there's lots of cave crickets in here. They love being down here.
Oh, yeah, this is a pipe tunnel, so there's asbestos. Don't
Just
go too deep.
I was going to say, no, it's the same level. Just don't disturb it. Don't touch it. That's definitely asbestos. It's probably non-friable because it's not windy down here and they're not being disturbed. I don't know exactly how far I want to go through here. Just keeping a watch to make sure I'm not going to fall down a hole or anything. I feel like I may be very slightly losing elevation. It's amazing that we once thought this stuff was safe. All right, this is a tight squeeze. Oh, there's water right there. A little bit of water. Careful. Oh, good thing I got a lens cap on that. All right, hang on. I'm probably not going to go much further because it looks like there's water down the tunnel that way. Yeah, that's all water. I'm not going to go any further that way. So I'm turning around. All right, coming back this way. Walking back this way. Yeah, there's a slight drop in elevation going this way, so the bottom of the tunnel is filling with water. I didn't want to go that way. Coming back towards you. Excuse me.
It goes down the other way a little ways.
Somebody's flashlight right there, broken. Yeah, I don't know what that is. That piece
this
of
piece here?
off of a car or...
Actually, I think you're right. It looks like a bumper.
That might
almost.
be either that or it's a part of that boat from the outboard motor we found earlier. What's that right there? Some sort of... Oh,
Is it right?
what does it say? I can't read it, but...
It's blinker fluid.
You don't want to run out of that. That's a big, heavy drain grate. Right? Not a drain grate. It looks like a door. Something. All right, this way... I have a suspicion I'm not going to be able to go as far this way because this is definitely going downgrade. This is 1 or 2% at least. Get a load of these pipes.
Are there any critters down there?
I'm not seeing any this way. Oh, there's one. Okay, there's one.
Okay.
1, 2. They're scattered about. They're always going to be down here, but they're not going to hurt you.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, yeah. This tunnel is definitely going downgrade.
Oh, you went that way.
Yeah, I went the other way the first time. This tunnel feels slightly wider going this way than the other way, but see how far I can go down this way before I hit water. Just be careful, because, yeah, there's asbestos. Trying to step over most of the large chunks. Look at that. Yep. The other thing you'll notice is that once you get down here, it is not only very dark, it's also very quiet. Kind of wish I had a surface reference so I could see exactly how far I went. I should be counting my steps. That's what I should be doing. Yeah, we're definitely going downhill. Oop, watch your step. That looks like that might be... Nope, it's just a pipe. I was going to say, it looks like for a second it might have been another exit. All right, we're leveling off. Coming down this way. It's getting wet. All right, yeah, it's starting to get a little damp. But this is where the tunnel levels off. Right here. Look out for the water. Right about here. We are now level. Looking back up the other way, way down there, you can see it's going uphill right there. And going back this way again, hello Cape Cricket, it's level right here. I'm being very careful. Yep. I can't go any further that way. That's water. All right, so we made it down to where the tunnel becomes level, but I'm not going to go any further that way, unfortunately, because once again, water, and I'm wearing mesh shoes, so I'm not going any further that way. All right, back up we go. That's just amazing. You see, all this stuff is buried underneath the ground, and people wouldn't even know it was here if they didn't look down. Walking back upgrade now. You know, the other interesting thing is the shorter tunnel I explored earlier in one of my earlier videos had light sockets and bulbs on the ceiling so that you would be able to see down here. I'm not seeing those in this tunnel, so that implies that unless they were removed, which would be strange, these tunnels were always dark. Ooh, check that out. The antique bottle. That's neat. All right. Going up. Passing that falling piece of pipe lagging again. Look out. The stuff just tends to fall off with age. Some grading down there. You can definitely feel that you're walking up grade. Getting a little bit of a breeze down here. I see you.
There's a light. That tunnel, did you hit the end of the tunnel or does it keep going?
If I go down there far enough, the grade stops and it becomes level, but then it's full of water again.
I was going to say, this is the tunnel that'll get you into the quads.
Yeah, it went, God, I must have gone for at least 100 feet down there. But again, right when it gets level, it starts filling with water, and I've got mesh shoes, so I'm not going to walk that far.
Oh, okay.
Just watch yourself when you walk back, not to disturb any of that pipe lagging.
I was going to say, that one will lead you right into the quads basement,
That'd be cool.
which actually is usually flooded all the time.
Of course, yeah. You want to go up first?
Sure.
Found a neat antique bottle, so I'll clean that up.
Be aware, these things are very tiny.
Oh yeah, they're small.
Oh, this is going to be fun getting out of here.
It is very chilly as well.
Hello, world. I've returned.
Yep, there's those dark tunnels that way and that way. So we're going to go back up now. See how far I can get filming. Yoink. All right. I'm not going to film all the way up because I need my hands to get out. But
Hello, viewers.
here we go. Coming up. Actually, you know what? I probably can. There we go. Broad daylight again.
There's 93 over there.
And we're out again. Right at about the 10-minute mark, so that was cool.
93, Wisteria, little cute building.
I felt like Mario in the sewers.
And you can see the quads
Do-do,
over there in the
do-do, do-do.
distance.
Oh yeah, yep, across the road there.
This tunnel would
There's
lead
the
right
hole.
over there to the quads. That's where that would go.
That's cool.